Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a few different tips for how to use a read aloud on the computer. A lot of people prefer to have text read to them. It can help if you want to listen to the question or if you want to just hear the answer choices. And there's a few different tools that you can do in order to hear that oral administration, in order to have the computer read all of the words to you. The first one I'm going to show you is a Chrome extension that everybody has already pushed out from the district. If you're logged into your school Chrome account and you're in Chrome, every single one of you already has Snap and Read. On my computer, Snap and Read is up here, and your Snap and Read little extension button kind of looks like a crosshairs. You're going to click on that. You might need to sign in. I do. It's a little bit different view with a teacher, but you are going to be signing in through Google, and it's already pushed out to you. You don't need to download that extension at all. It's already attached to your Chrome, so make sure you're using Chrome for your browser. Once you open up Snap and Read, you'll notice a little bar kind of appears on the right-hand side. And some of the features here work better for PDFs, but the one that I'm going to show you how to use is this X feature where you can actually highlight a portion of your screen and it'll read it aloud to you. So I'm going to click this here. And then I'm going to highlight the text that I want to hear out loud. So maybe I just want to hear the question first.
Which of the following tools is used to measure a force?
And I didn't even have to do anything once I'd made that X. So again, the X to kind of make those crosshairs. I'm going to highlight the text I want to hear. Maybe now I want to hear the answer choices.
Triple beam balance spectrometer barometer spring scale.
And I can close that out. The other thing that I like about Snap and Read is you can change the voice of the computer that's reading it to you. You can also change the speed, the color of the highlighted word as it's going along. So we're going to go back up to that Snap and Read extension, the one that looks like the crosshairs up in your Google and your Chrome. And you're going to go to Options. You're going to look for that Settings wheel. Here you can change the voice.
Welcome to the Snap and Read extension. You can change.
Welcome to the Snap and Read extension.
Welcome to the Snap and Read extension. You can change the pitch, rate, and volume of speech using the sliders below.
You can also play around with changing the speed of the text. I actually like to slow it down so they don't quite sound so robotic when they're reading it. You can change the pitch. In some versions, if you're looking at a PDF document, so not a Canvas page, but in a PDF document, you can actually even change how to simplify words. And so that's worth playing around with if you're looking at PDFs. You can change the background color of the word that it's being highlighted as it's reading it aloud to you. Maybe you just don't like green or it makes you stress out. You want lavender. That's all you have to do on that end. You would just close that. And then next time I can see the lavender, so maybe I just want to hear this one answer choice again.
Barometer.
And that's how you use Snap and Read. I'm next going to show you a different feature that also exists that depends on what computer you're using. So what you can do is if you highlight the text you want to hear, if you are on a Mac, you're going to right click. And some of you might need to change your settings to be a 2-finger click, but if you right click, you'll see where it says speech.
Which of the following tools is used to measure a force?
So I know that for sure works on Macs. Depending on your Chromebook and your mouse settings, you might be able to find a way to enable it. But the one tool that works for everybody, that everybody has access to, is that Snap and Read. So make sure, please, you're using that Snap and Read extension that everybody has. You have to be in Chrome. You have to be logged in as your school Google, and that Snap and Read is right there for you. And remember that we used those crosshairs, the square-looking feature. So we use that to have the text read aloud, and that will work on any Canvas page. You can do a paragraph or an answer choice at a time. Reach out to your teachers if you need help accessing materials, but everybody should be using these if you find that it helps you.